Hello, this is your local astrologer of Manchester, New Hampshire, and I'm coming with you with a basic astrology report. It is the Sun in Pisces. We are on March, upcoming March. I'm going to say before the 10th, something extreme is going to happen, but I'm not going to say what it is, even though that sounds really super fucking stupid and cliche. Anyway, moving on. Basically, I'm getting into the art of prediction explanation with you guys today, and I'm also going to get into calculation as well as the natal chart in general. So we have a Sun in Pisces with a Moon in Capricorn, with a Mercury for Aquarius. Venus is still saying Aries, Mars, Aries. Jupiter is in Libra still, like all the other planets. They will always stay the same. We have a Jupiter in Libra, a Uranus in Aries. Sorry, Saturn, I moved over you for some reason, but you're in fucking Sag, and boom, boom, we got Neptune in Pisces and a Pluto in Capricorn. So what does that do? Well, basically it has a universal effect on everybody, like it always will. But it has more than that in the sense of astrological application. So with application is a big part of prediction. When you're applying an idea, you also want to emphasize that idea through your personality so that you can show your traits in combination to the influences at the current time. Because remember, right now, 1,000 people are being born, 1 trillion people are being born, whatever. So these people are being influenced by whatever's happening in the solar system. The only reason any of us came to be is because one day, a long time ago, one of the theories is that there was a dense ball, it fucking exploded, boom, science, okay? So we're looking at the theory of relativity, we're looking at physics, we're looking at the idea that geologically the makeup of matter itself can attract other matter to it while it's vibrating on that frequency. We're looking at which frequency it is, how fast it travels, at what intensity is it vibrating. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to look at all these factors because each physical factor has a difference into how it plays out into the realm of our earthly ways. So a big part of that is money. So emotionally, everyone might feel that they rely on their material a little bit too much, and they might feel a little agitated within the next few days. That's understandable. Problem is, people tend to hold spite during this moon influence. So always look at your moon sign as well as your sun sign, so that when your ascending sign is putting off whatever other people see, you can realize how they view you, and you can explain to them how you feel by understanding your moon sign. It's very important because the moon rules anything regarding emotion or subconscious, and the subconscious is a big part of why we are able to predict a lot of what we can. Most people cannot access any part of their brain outside of 2%. Now, anyone who does a lot of research on this knows that that theory's been proven wrong. The fact that people only use 2% of their brain is just not true. It's 2017. People do drugs. People do a lot of things physically in order to train themselves. I mean, look at those monks, at Shaolin monks. Do you think that they're up there fucking using 2% of their brain? No, I don't think so. Absolutely not, because they're using more of their body, and their brain requires more information to put into the cells of their nerves. These nerves are what's reciprocating their senses. The fact that they're more sensitive alone tells me that they use more parts of their brain. Anyone who's more sensitive than anybody else is using more parts of their brain. That's a known fact. And I can prove it here today through showing you the art of prediction. Now stay tuned. This is Zachariah Latendra, your local fortune teller. I'm going to get into explaining to you how I predict what I do when I do it.